Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will share to you how to remove or delete TikTok profile picture. The first, you must open Chrome and we search like this and then image. After this, you choose this. You can take this picture and you must click download and please just download, yeah. After that, you come to TikTok. TikTok and we can to profile, yeah, profile, and then we can just edit profile and change photo, select from gallery, and we must search, and here you must search download, and we take the profile picture, okay, and save. It's very easy to remove or delete TikTok profile picture. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. And from me, goodbye and see you in the next video.